If you want to remove background noise from YouTube videos or Instagram Reels on your Samsung phone, here's how to do it. Samsung's Galaxy AI feature called Audio Eraser lets you reduce unwanted sounds like wind, traffic, or crowd noise while making voices clearer. Let's walk through how to clean up audio from a YouTube video or short on your Samsung Galaxy device. Just make sure your phone is updated to the latest One UI 8.5 beta to access this feature for supported apps. First, open the YouTube Short or Instagram Reel where you want to reduce background noise. Now swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. At the top, you'll see the Audio Eraser option. Tap on Audio Eraser. Turn it on. Next, adjust the strength slider to reduce background noise based on your preference. You can also enable voice focus to lower music and other background sounds while boosting voices. And that's it. Your audio should sound much cleaner now. Thanks for watching.